Welcome back. Today we're taking you through the complete step-by-step process of creating a beautiful container home from the ground up. The journey begins with forming a strong base using TechnoPure screw piles, providing dependable and lasting structural support. The shipping containers are delivered to the site following careful transport planning and safety inspections. A powerful crane carefully hoists each container, maintaining steady balance throughout the lift. Each container is lowered onto the TechnoPure screw piles with exact positioning and accuracy. Fine adjustments are made so all containers sit perfectly level, firmly anchored, and prepared for the next phase of construction. The 4 containers are securely joined together using a trusted GYSMI 160P welding machine. Welding heat levels are closely observed to prevent warping or damage to the steel. Butyl sealing tape is then applied over the weld seams to enhance waterproofing and extend durability. Attention shifts to cutting openings in the container walls using grinders to connect the interior spaces. Structural reference points are carefully reviewed to ensure key load-bearing areas remain intact. Heavy-gauge steel panels are cut methodically to control sparks and maintain smooth, clean edges. Proper safety equipment is worn at all times to protect workers during the cutting process. Sandblasting is used to remove rust, surface damage, and layers of old paint from the container walls. This freshly textured surface allows new protective coatings to bond more effectively. The treatment ensures the final paint finish is more durable and visually refined. Construction continues with the preparation of sturdy OSB boards that will act as the primary framing structure. Next, laser guides are projected onto the container walls to mark exact locations for openings. Large cutouts are made using an angle grinder, while structural integrity is carefully evaluated throughout. Any weakened sections are reinforced as 4 by 4 cm steel tubes, 3 mm thick, are welded around the openings. The reinforced steel frames are checked for precision to guarantee proper UPVC window installation. OSB frames are tightly fitted and fastened to create clean, even surfaces for the windows. Breathable waterproof membranes are installed over the frames to regulate moisture and enhance indoor comfort. UPVC windows and doors are then fitted into the prepared openings, providing strong insulation performance and long-lasting reliability. Additional advantages come from UPVC systems, which are appreciated for their thermal efficiency, noise reduction, and low upkeep requirements. A complete wooden framework is constructed around the steel containers, forming an added outer protective layer. Vertical timber studs are mounted at close intervals along the full exterior of the container walls. Extra wooden beams are added above the containers to define the structure of the future roof. This outer timber framework creates the necessary depth for installing thick insulation layers around the containers. By placing insulation externally, the full interior living space is preserved inside the steel structure. The wooden frame also serves as a reliable mounting base for a variety of exterior cladding finishes. It reinforces the building as a whole and increases resistance to weather exposure and moisture. For the roof, cellulose insulation is selected to form a consistent and effective thermal barrier. It delivers strong heat retention, helping regulate indoor temperatures during both hot and cold seasons. Made from recycled paper fibers, cellulose insulation provides an environmentally friendly and sustainable solution. It also enhances acoustic performance by reducing exterior noise entering the home. The compact density of the material slows the spread of fire, adding an extra level of safety to the roof. Once insulation is complete, EPDM waterproofing is installed to create a long-lasting, weatherproof surface. The membrane's flexibility allows it to adapt easily to structural movement and temperature fluctuations. Its UV resistance prevents cracking and significantly extends the lifespan of the roof. EPDM delivers dependable protection against rain, snow, and pooled water year-round. Despite its strength, the material remains lightweight and does not overload the roof structure. For the walls, wood fiber insulation is chosen for its excellent thermal efficiency and breathable properties. The fibers conform to uneven surfaces, effectively minimizing thermal bridging. An exterior weather barrier is added to block wind from penetrating the wall assembly. This layer protects the insulation from wind-driven rain, snow, and moisture pressure. The focus then shifts indoors, where the metal walls are sanded, cleaned, and prepared for spray painting. A solvent-based anti-rust primer is applied with an airless sprayer, diluted precisely to the recommended ratio. After the primer cures, 2 coats of water-based white paint are evenly sprayed using smooth, overlapping passes. The layered water system is set up as separate hot and cold lines are carefully run throughout the container home. A PVC waste system is assembled with drainage pipes aligned for the kitchen, bathroom, and toilet areas. All pipe connections and gradients are planned in advance to ensure proper flow for future installations. A protective moisture barrier is laid down to shield the floor from rising damp. The uneven base is smoothed using Fermacell self-leveling compound. 10 cm thick polyurethane insulation boards are installed across the entire floor surface. Specialized cutting tools are used to shape each panel accurately around corners and fixed elements. Every seam between panels is sealed securely with airtight construction tape. This process forms a continuous, airtight insulation layer with no exposed gaps. The primary electrical network is installed in compliance with NFC 15 to 100 regulations. Residual current devices and circuit breakers are selected and connected prior to final grounding. Pre-installed conduits are run through insulation channels to distribute power to all interior circuits. The main electrical panel is connected to the roadside cabinet before undergoing inspection approval. The home is then prepared for the installation of the ALDS T.1 compact climate system. ALDS T.1 combines heating, cooling, and ventilation within a single high-efficiency unit. It supplies fresh, filtered air throughout the living space to enhance indoor air quality. Energy use is reduced through intelligent regulation and optimized airflow control. The system maintains balanced temperature and humidity levels for steady comfort in every room. Vertical exterior cladding is selected to visually increase the building's height and elegance. Support battens are mounted first to create a level, ventilated framework for the facade. Each cladding board is installed vertically, allowing rainwater to drain efficiently and minimizing moisture issues. The exterior cladding boosts long-term performance by keeping the timber dry and well ventilated. Vertical planks introduce a contemporary look while shielding the container walls from harsh weather. The air gap created by the battens allows circulation, reducing condensation and preserving the wood over time. A 43 square meters wooden deck is constructed using eco-friendly screw foundations instead of poured concrete. These screw piles are installed efficiently, forming a solid and sustainable base for the terrace framework. The wooden frame is then assembled above, with each element aligned carefully to ensure strength and stability. The deck surface is finished with treated boards that offer durability and a refined natural appearance. This outdoor platform expands the living space and links the home seamlessly with the surrounding garden. A wooden terrace creates a welcoming area for lounging, meals, and enjoying the outdoors. Powder-coated steel caps are added to protect the parapet and deliver a crisp, finished edge. The coated sections are fastened securely along the upper boundary, providing long-lasting protection against moisture, corrosion, and UV damage. A clean, modern silhouette emerges as the steel coping follows the parapet's lines precisely. A protective finish is applied to the timber cladding to guard against moisture and sunlight. This treatment soaks into the wood, reinforcing it against everyday weather exposure. Each plank is coated evenly, so the entire exterior benefits from uniform protection. With construction complete, the house transforms into a highly comfortable, modern home that no longer feels like a container. Every inch is thoughtfully utilized, and the clever layout makes the interior feel spacious, functional, and well organized. The result is a true home where people feel secure, relaxed, and completely at ease. Additional solar panels further enhance sustainability, turning the house into a stylish, eco-conscious retreat. Hope you enjoyed this build. Subscribe to Julien Malara to stay tuned for more creative projects and future adventures.